Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to use night mode camera setting in Realme phone. So let us start our video. You have to see here there was many different options shown in your mobile phone. Like that you have to see here. Firstly you have to move up and see there was many more different app icons shown in your mobile phone. Like that you have to see here. So if you want to know how to use night mode camera setting, so firstly click on the camera icon. Then you have see there was many more option in the camera setting like that. And firstly if you want to know how to use night mode camera setting, so firstly click on the night mode option. After clicking on here, firstly you have to click a photo in the night mode like that. After that you have to wait and then see your photo or video. In this way you have to see that is your photo or video. In this way, if your photo is much more clear in the night mode, so if you want to take clear photo at the time of night, so you have to use night mode camera setting in your mobile phone like that. So I hope this video helps you, so please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you have any query regarding any function of mobile phone or PC, so please comment us. Thank you so much for watching our video. We will meet you soon with next video. Thank you.